I'm joined now by Finance of America's CIO, Brian Conneen. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashley. It's nice to be here.
So we have been talking AI with all of the companies that we feature. How is Finance of America leveraging AI?
The most important thing for us as we think about AI and other digital experiences is to make sure they're customer-centric. It's about making the customer experience easier and faster and empowering our employees to have more time spent with the customer and less time to do things that AI could do instead.
So your company has a lot of clients who are retirement age or above. Is there any education that you provide to help them navigate your digital offerings, such as your website or your app?
Absolutely. Our website is full of information about the products, but also how to interact with us and the things that we'll expect through the process. And I do think it's really important that this demographic is now digitally more savvy than ever. You know, the oldest member of Generation X is 55. They're expecting digital experiences, and that we have to meet them with those digital experiences centered on what they need and how they want to interact.
Can you give us some examples of the types of education you're providing for these customers, like tangible examples?
Sure. Education about how the reverse mortgage process works, how the consulting works when you have exterior consulting that talks to you about the process and make sure that you understand anything. Also, additionally, just the way in which your home equity can be leveraged to provide your retirement there's lots of documentation and education on that as well.
All right, what's next for Finance of America?
We are really focusing on building a digital journey for our customers, leveraging AI and the modern digital practices so that customers who want to engage digitally can, and that we optimize their experience to give them as much time as possible to live their lives versus deal with complicated processes.
Where do you see Finance of America in the next 5 to 10 years?
We really, really want to be the leader in this space, taking reverse mortgage mainstream. We believe that this is a product that is available for anyone 55 and older to really power their retirement in a way that just hasn't been tapped into yet. $14 trillion in home equity is available, and this demographic can leverage that to have a much better retirement.
Brian Conneen, thank you so much for joining us on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Kristen, it's so interesting how this is becoming another sector for retirement. $14 trillion on the table. Back to you.
Ashley Mastronardi, thank you so much.